Kipat bak Shillong Megaya kin yo saki ya ka SeaWorld Carnival kabalong ka sin bringkong Megaya kaba lasdang nadu ndutrik leber ha SRG di pulu parking lot adu ka santrik uyayong aja pendrio ya kani Carnival lapelong the company Disneyland Mela Private Limited bat kan pen iru ya kijat dokha ba pher kaba he tam ha India hakane Carnival on pen I parat silak hiteng teli kidokha ki bakentup parat sispa jat kidokha paper kumka lionhead parrotfish angelfish albino fish arowana patka arapaima kabadi na Amazon rainforest.
Yes. My name is Alakeshwar Bhaskar. I am a manager and in charge over here. And he is Mr. Shamim Sheikh, director, Disneyland Mela Private Limited. He is organizing this event. And this type of event is only first time of its kind in Meghalaya. Right now you have any questions, you can ask. Basically, I am from Chandigarh and this tunnel belongs to Hyderabad. And he is the organizer and he contacted us for this event to be organized in the Meghalaya.
What is the main purpose?
Over here, the main purpose is to let the Shillongis can enjoy this event.
So it will be a free entry or ticket?
No, the charges will be 200 per person and the Mela entry will be only 30.
Can you highlight a little bit about these fishes that you
We have more than 150 of varieties of fishes right now with us, and approximately it will be around more than 1 lakh fishes with us right now. And we have the quarantine center, we have the hospital for this, and we have the trained team members with us and with the doctor.
Can you mention some of the popular species?
We have a arowana, we have a koi carp, and we have a main eye stopper is our Arupama fish, which cost 8 lakh rupees, approximately 8 lakh rupees. That is at the last of that tunnel, and we are having 4 with us right now. By tomorrow.
How many days?
It will last up to 5th of April.
So what is your expectation? Whether it will draw the crowd to come and see?
Expectation is nothing. It will be depend on your support, the moral support from the public and the moral support of the Sri Lankan people. This is the first kind of a different event we are going to conduct here. Here we are exhibiting from 1-inch fish to 5 feet fish along with us.
Can you share your last experience in the last event like this? How was the response?
First we run our show at Boragaon, Guwahati. Very excellent response from the public. Similarly, we have another theme with us, that is the mermaid show with us. The girls came from Thailand. They are expert scuba diving. They are expert in mermaid performances.
Is there any discount for school students?
Right now, we are not offering it, but after 10 or 15 days, we are working on it, and we will get in touch with the schools and the institutions also. But the army persons also, we are also thinking about giving the discount.
This 200?
No, 200 is for the general public, and the age should be, age is up to 3 years it's free, and above 3 years it's a full ticket. And along this aquarium show, and can also enjoy the rides, different rides, and we are also coming with an expo with the international shops also.
Sir, can you tell us what is the main objective of this?
Main objective to get the Meghalaya peoples look how other India is. We are in this event line, and we are exhibiting in all over India.
Actually, you can watch or you can keep some fishes in your boat, but whereas we are showing lot of variety of the fishes here, more than 150 varieties is here, and more than 1 lakh fishes is available here. Some fishes in quarantine. We are maintaining filtration system. We are maintaining clean and hygienic system. And similarly, this kind of fishes you can't see in Meghalaya, not even Assam also. Some fishes from Amazon river, some fishes from Nile river, and some fishes from Korea also we bring. Japan also, this koi carp from Japan. So different kind of fishes is there. And similarly, it is very good for children also. This is scientific and scientific tour.
In India, and you can also, if you want to see like this, you have to go to Dubai or Singapore. And we are now in your city at a very normal cost. If you go to Dubai, they charge 6,000. We are presenting it only for 200.
Any local body helping you?
Yes,
local
local exhibition is giving the support, but there is no entry and logical. We are getting delayed by one or actually we are planning to open it by 5th, but for that reason we have delayed by 1 or 2 days.
Due to
Transportations and all the
and some technical glitches there. So that we are
this needs a special vehicle and a special treatment and all things is a special kind of to maintain this.
carrying the live fishes is along with oxygen support, just like the ambulance vehicle. After that, we are carrying from one place to one place. We keep in quarantine, and we maintain oxygen levels, and we maintain aeration levels. Should be good.
Thank you.